Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make liquid glass in Figma. First, open Figma and create a new frame or select an existing shape you want to transform. Next, apply a linear gradient to your chosen element, using two very similar, light colors to establish a subtle base. Then, add a blur effect to the shape, usually setting it between 20 and 30 pixels to begin softening the edges. Now duplicate your blurred shape and scale it down slightly to create an inner highlight. Adjust the gradient on this new, smaller shape to be much lighter, almost white, simulating a bright shine. To further enhance the three-dimensional look, apply an inner shadow. Experiment with the shadow's offset and blur to achieve a realistic sense of depth and curvature. To refine your liquid glass effect, add a subtle drop shadow to the main shape. This helps it stand out from the background and adds another layer of depth. Next, experiment with different blend modes on your layers, such as overlay or soft light, to achieve a more realistic and integrated look. Finally, adjust the opacity levels of individual layers to fine-tune the transparency and overall appearance of your liquid glass. For the final touches, group all your layers together. This makes it incredibly easy to move, resize, or duplicate your liquid glass object as a single unit. You might also consider adding a few small, subtle highlights or reflections to truly sell the liquid effect. These tiny details can make a big difference. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.